Hey, what's up, guys? I want to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I would recommend that you not get into and not upload any designs to this niche. And the niche is Bill Russell. You might have heard the news, or maybe you didn't, but he actually passed away today. So you can see right here, world reacts to the death of American sports icon Bill Russell. Bill Russell was a very famous NBA basketball player that played for the Boston Celtics, won a lot of championships. So you're probably going to see a lot of designs start popping up. This news broke maybe about 2 hours ago, and we can see there's already a design up. There'll probably be some more. But, in my opinion, this getting uploading designs in niches like this where people have passed away is very risky in my opinion. It's in the terms of service with Amazon that you can't profit off of a human tragedy. And my advice would be to just stay out of this niche. You might be able to get away with it on like some other print-on-demand websites, like maybe TeePublic or Redbubble, but still, personally, I wouldn't even touch it. I would just leave this alone. There's so many other niches that you can get into, especially with back to school coming up. It's kind of tempting because it's probably gonna be pretty easy, or it could be pretty easy to make some quick cash off of designs like this or niches like this. But again, I like to think long term. I want to be able to make passive income every month from my Merch by Amazon account for the foreseeable future, 5, 10, 15, 20 years down the road. And if you get involved in niches like this, it's going to jeopardize your account. And once your account is gone, from what I've seen, it's pretty much damn near impossible to get it back. So keep your account safe. Don't upload design in this niche. Upload in other niches, and you should be good to go. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.